Sigmund Freud suggests that dreams are functional and do actually make a change in our personality and behavior. To understand this, we must first look into Freud's structural model of the self. He says that the psyche is composed of 3 different levels of awareness: the conscious, the preconscious, and the unconscious. He also says that our mind and our personality is composed of 3 elements. The id is in the unconscious part of the mind. This means we have no control on it. It has a stronger role on babies till the age of 4. The id will always try to fulfill every need instantly without waiting. It may sometimes be aggressive, selfish, or destructive. It is capable of doing anything in order to satisfy its needs and therefore may get us into social trouble. The superego is mostly in the unconscious part of the mind. It is the counterbalance to the id as it contains social awareness, ethics, morality, among others. The ego is mostly in the conscious part of the mind and it balances the constant battle between the superego and the id. It fulfills some of the id's needs, taking also into account the values from the superego so that the individual doesn't get affected. According to Freud, dreaming is an opportunity for the desires of the id to be satisfied without harming the individual in real life. Those desires tend to be disturbing, hostile, and sometimes violent for an individual to handle, so the superego finds ways of censoring those images. This enables the id to fulfill its needs without actually expressing it in real life. I support Freud's opinion. I believe that dreams are in fact functional. I know that sleeping helps the brain to clean or remove its waste products, so sleeping is functional within the material parts of ourselves. The superego then disguises and distorts the dream so that the dreamer doesn't wake up in horror or even traumatized. Freud's theory proposes that sleeping or dreaming also has an effect on the non-physical parts of us. This is cleaning or maintaining an equilibrium in our minds. I believe that if our superego didn't censor at all our id's activity, our dreams would be much more violent, and that would be clearly reflected in our personality and behavior. The end of nights we try to die.